Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for everything related to heavy machinery and vehicles. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of construction equipment, the Komatsu PC360LC-11. If you're passionate about excavators that deliver outstanding performance, efficiency, and durability, you're in for a treat. The Komatsu PC360LC-11 is more than just an excavator, it's a symbol of strength and advanced engineering. Designed for heavy-duty work, it offers the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, it's powered by a Komatsu SA6D114E6 engine that delivers an impressive 257 horsepower. This robust engine is built to handle the toughest jobs while meeting stringent emission standards, thanks to its advanced Tier 4 final technology. It reduces emissions without compromising performance, making it an environmentally friendly option in its class. When it comes to digging power, the PC360LC-11 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a maximum digging depth of over 24 feet, with a reach of around 36 feet at ground level. This makes it ideal for large-scale construction projects, mining operations, and heavy-duty excavation work. The hydraulic system is engineered for smooth, precise control, allowing operators to perform complex tasks with ease. The machine's lifting capacity is also impressive, handling heavy loads effortlessly, which adds to its versatility on the job site. Operator comfort is a key focus in the PC360LC-11. The cab is spacious and ergonomically designed with adjustable seating, low noise levels, and excellent visibility. Komatsu has integrated advanced technology to enhance the operator's experience. The large, high-resolution monitor provides real-time information about the machine's performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance alerts. The intuitive control layout reduces operator fatigue, allowing for longer, more productive workdays. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature. The PC360LC-11 comes equipped with Komatsu's advanced auto-idle shutdown and economy modes. These features help reduce fuel consumption without sacrificing productivity. The machine automatically adjusts its power output based on the workload, ensuring optimal performance while saving on operating costs. Durability is at the heart of Komatsu's design philosophy, and the PC360LC-11 is no exception. It's built with high-strength steel components, reinforced undercarriage, and robust boom and arm structures to withstand harsh working conditions. Maintenance is made easy with accessible service points, centralized grease fittings, and the ground-level refueling system. This not only reduces downtime but also extends the machine's lifespan, providing a better return on investment. Safety is a top priority in any construction environment, and Komatsu has incorporated several safety features into the PC360LC-11. The rear-view camera system provides a clear view of the machine's surroundings, reducing blind spots and enhancing job site safety. Anti-slip surfaces, handrails, and strategically placed mirrors ensure that both operators and ground personnel are protected during operation. Technology integration sets the PC360LC-11 apart from many competitors. Komatsu's Comtrax telematics system comes standard, offering remote monitoring of machine health, location, fuel usage, and operational data. This feature allows fleet managers to track performance, schedule maintenance, and improve overall efficiency from anywhere. It's a game-changer for companies looking to optimize their operations and reduce downtime. The versatility of the Komatsu PC360LC-11 makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether it's road construction, quarrying, mining, or large-scale infrastructure projects, this excavator can handle it all. Its quick coupler system allows for easy attachment changes, making it adaptable for different tasks such as lifting, digging, grading, and demolition. What truly makes the PC360LC-11 stand out is the combination of power, efficiency, and advanced features. It's not just a machine, it's a reliable partner that helps businesses get the job done faster and more efficiently. Its robust design, coupled with operator-friendly features, ensures that it delivers top-notch performance even in the most demanding environments. If you're in the market for an excavator that offers exceptional value, the Komatsu PC360LC-11 should be at the top of your list. It's built to last, designed to perform, and equipped with the latest technology to keep your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest heavy machinery reviews and industry news. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Komatsu PC360LC-11 or if there's another machine you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.